Shri Piyush Goyal says FDI in India growing rapidly over last few years.
The Minister for Commerce at Industry, Textiles, Consumer Affairs and Food at Public Distribution, Shri Piyush Goyal today said FDI in India has been growing rapidly over the last few years. We have today become an attractive and preferred destination for investments, said Shri Piyush Goyal, while addressing the 4th edition of the India-Korea Business Partnership Forum organized by Kikita. Shri Goyal invited South Korean entrepreneurs to invest in new sectors like defense and retail. We need to complement our complementary strengths in automobiles, textiles, food processing, leather products, metals, mining, chemicals and also through some of our traditional sectors like steel and look at new emerging opportunities in defense, e-commerce and retail. Shri Goyal said the Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi's Make in India initiative is complemented by Her Excellency President Moon's New Southern Policy. Many Korean companies have leveraged the opportunities that India has to offer to Make in India for the world using the competitive and comparative advantages of skilled manpower, low-cost manufacturing and the government support that is provided for businesses in India. Shri Goyal said during the COVID-19 pandemic India has demonstrated our resilience, our capacity to serve the world, our capabilities in terms of being a trusted partner for businesses around the world. We are widely recognized today as the pharmacy of the world providing medicines and vaccines across continents, Shri Goyal said. We plan to manufacture 5 billion vaccines next year and ensure the safety and security of people across the world post-vaccination, he added. Shri Goyal said our economy is bouncing back and will possibly see one of the fastest growth rates across the world. Our exports are at an all-time high. Both on the manufacturing side and on services our PMI is at all-time highs. We are leveraging our strengths to realize the goal of Atma Nirbhar Bharat, a self-confident and self-reliant India. Quote. Shri Goyal said the government has taken several policy measures to support industry and services. We have a very vibrant production-linked incentive program in which many Korean companies have also participated. We have a national single window launched recently, a national infrastructure pipeline with projects worth over $1 trillion providing opportunities for infrastructure companies. We have reduced corporation taxes to amongst the lowest in the world, giving additional incentives to new investments, liberalized our foreign investment regime and many other measures to support the growth of the Indian economy, he said, adding, in the last 4 or 5 years India is home to about 70 unicorns, nearly half of them only in the last year of the COVID pandemic.